Welcome to our support center. In this video tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a support ticket and reaching out to us more conveniently. Let's get started. Step 1. Access your client portal. Begin by opening your client portal. Once you're inside, navigate to the left-hand menu and select Support Center. Step 2. Create a new support ticket within the Support Center. Locate the Create New Ticket button and give it a click. This will open up a new support ticket creation form. Step 3. Provide details. Choose the type of issue you are facing from the available options. Then, proceed to fill in the subject and description of the problem. Don't forget to pick your preferred language and select the contact method that suits you best. Step 4. Submit your ticket. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, go ahead and submit your ticket. After submission, you can receive a response from our dedicated support team. Step 5. Resolution and feedback. Once your concern has been resolved, you'll receive assistance from our support team. When everything is sorted, you can easily indicate your satisfaction by clicking yes and sharing your support experience with us. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. Should you have any further questions or require additional assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help.